Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make creme brulee donuts. We'll begin with a simple approach, using pre-made donut dough to save time and effort. First, ensure your dough is at room temperature for easier handling. Then, gently roll it out to a thickness of about 1/2 inch. Use a round cutter, approximately 3 inches in diameter, to create perfectly shaped donuts. This easy start sets the stage for a delicious treat. Now let's get to frying. Heat your vegetable oil to a precise 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place a few donuts into the hot oil, making sure not to overcrowd the pot. Fry them for about 1 to 2 minutes on each side, until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color. Once fried, transfer them to a wire rack lined with paper towels to drain any excess oil. This step ensures a perfectly crispy exterior. Next, we'll create the luscious creme brulee filling. In a bowl, whisk together 4 egg yolks, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. In a separate saucepan, gently heat 1 cup of heavy cream until it just begins to simmer. Slowly pour the hot cream into the egg mixture while continuously whisking to temper it. Return the mixture to the saucepan and cook over medium-low heat, stirring constantly, until it thickens enough to coat the back of a spoon. With your custard cooled, it's time to fill the donuts. Use a piping bag fitted with a small, pointed tip to inject the creamy custard into the center of each donut. Aim for about 2 tablespoons of filling per donut. Then, sprinkle approximately 1 teaspoon of granulated sugar evenly over the top of each filled donut. Finally, use a kitchen torch to caramelize the sugar until it forms a beautiful, golden amber, crunchy crust. Enjoy your homemade creme brulee donuts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.